Hi guys, so after a long time, we are back, and just let me check if I'm live now. Not yet, just let me check again. Let me check it again. Not yet. I'm live by my end. Why it's not showing I'm live? It takes a moment. I have started streaming from my end. Yes, I'm live. Let me quickly share the same on the Telegram group as well. Yes, I have shared. All right. So who is here? Let's see. After a long time, we have started our session, right? After a very long time, I know. And since like I was not well, that's why I could not take class in this week. That's why it happened. But now we will take our classes regularly, okay? So what are we going to do today? Let's see. So it is a very easy and simple chapter which you already like. It's very easy, okay? So that's what we are going to do today. And the name of the chapter is Environmental Chemistry. Okay, what is it? We are going to do today is Environmental Chemistry. And this is our one shot session. Let me know who is here quickly, guys. This is going to be a one shot session, okay? This is our one shot session. All right. बच्चे particularly organic reactions, तो देखो, you need to study the mechanism, like how it works, okay? But the basic funda is that it just enhances the activity of a reaction. This is like the very fundamental concept of the catalyst, and that too it enhances the activity of a catalyst in such a way that it does not affect the rate of the reaction. Like that's the very fundamental way, I would say. Okay, let's start with let's start with environmental chemistry. And class 11 students, what was the name? It was KY Ultimate. Bache, if you are in class 11, then please let me know when your exams are beginning and when is your chemistry exam. Please let me know. When's your chemistry exam, bacha? So if there is anything which like I can specially like help you, I would love to do that. Okay? So yes, let's go ahead. You know that we are going to start today with environmental chemistry. All right. The next thing is my introduction. So you know me, I believe. I am your chemistry educator, Kirti Sharma, and I have completed my graduation from University of Delhi in psychology. You can see here. 2nd March. Okay, is this like the beginning of your exam, or like this is like your chemistry exam, bache? Can you please like elaborate it? कि आपके एग्जाम्स कब से शुरू हैं और फिर आपका केमिस्ट्री का एग्जाम कब है? अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल प्लान. So yes, as I was telling you that it has been like 5-6 years that I have been teaching cute students like you, all right? And I have mentored second March is chemistry. Okay. Okay, thanks bacha. All right. Okay. So yes, you can join the Telegram group. The link is given to you in the description box. Okay. So you can just tap on the you can just simply tap on the link and you will land on the group, and you will find all the important updates and notifications regarding the class, which will be like your YT classes. All right, about all these features we will talk like in the middle of the class. Okay, first let's start with our environmental chemistry. Okay, what we were doing, we are going to start with your environmental chemistry. Yes, let's quickly start with it. तो बच्चे इसमें हमको क्या क्या पढ़ना है, what are the different topics? Very easy is this chapter. I would suggest you don't just leave it. Like I believe एक क्वेश्चन तो मिनिमम आएगा 3 नंबर का, राइट? या फिर 1 मार्कर का एक 3 मार्कर, कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है. ओके, सो डोंट लीव दिस चैप्टर. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इजी. It is very easy. Even if you spend like say 2 hours today on this chapter, only 2 hours, ठीक है, and you will be like 100% done, and you can earn at least 3 marks, 2 marks from this particular chapter only. This is something which you have already done in your junior classes. Okay, right now I couldn't find my notes, but what I can do is I can just tell you about the things, I can explain you, and please like open your books with you, all right, so that you will have an idea like what are we discussing. Okay, so do it, because as I told you that this chapter is very 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 easy. Okay, right, so the first thing is number 1, which is like discussed in this chapter. It is air, water and soil pollution. Air, water and soil pollution. Do you guys think कि इसमें आपको कोई doubt होगा? This is topic number 1. Although I am going to explain everything to you, all right, but here I am just giving you these what can I say, the different parts of the chapters. Okay, कि इस chapter को हम लोग कैसे different sections में divide करा हुआ है हम लोगों ने. all right, that's how we are going to start with it. Yes, Pushkar Avasthi, this chapter is in CBSE as well, बच्चे. Definitely. बिल्कुल है. There is no major difference in the like syllabus or chapters, no difference. Okay, and if you are like from CBSE, it's even better for you. You will do some more important, more high level questions you will do. Okay, so definitely it is in your syllabus. So the very first section is about air, water and soil pollution. I am giving you the 4 things so that you will get to know that yes, this chapter is very easy. Even if you sit with this chapter for like 2 hours and you guys will be done. ठीक है. Number 2 is the chemical reactions in atmosphere. अब देखो, ये आपको सुनने में ऐसा लग रहा होगा पता नहीं अभी कौन से reactions आएंगे. These are chemical reactions in atmosphere. Now I'll tell you what kind of reactions are these. Okay, chemical reactions in atmosphere. Okay, इसमें आपको क्या पढ़ना है? Let me tell you, very easy. This is smog, जो सर्दियों में हो जाता है. फॉग और स्मोक, धुएं को मिलाने के बाद स्मॉग, और एसिड रेन पढ़ना है इसमें आपको. एसिड रेन वही वाला विच यू हैव बीन स्टडिंग सिंस चाइल्डहुड. ठीक है, वही वाला एसिड रेन है ये. So I don't think it is difficult for you. Very easy, right? Number 3, ozone and its depletion. Ozone, its depletion, कि वो क्यों कम हो रही है, कैसे कम हो रही है, इट्स डिप्लीशन. इसके साथ में इसका रिएक्शन भी थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, रिएक्शन. इसके साथ में आपको ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट पढ़ना है. ये भी आपने आपकी सोशल साइंस में, नॉर्मल 10th तक की साइंस में आपने किया हुआ है, राइट? सोशल साइंस एज अ पार्ट ऑफ जियोग्राफी आई बिलीव, एंड साइंस में भी नॉर्मली आपने किया हुआ है, राइट? This is your greenhouse effect. These are like the same things which you have done in your junior classes. It's just that a little bit higher level it is. But as I said, only 2 hours and you guys will be done with this chapter. So don't like leave this chapter at any cost, okay? Because this is like a very easy chapter which can help you in order to earn your marks, okay? Right now, जितना आपको thoroughly पढ़ना था, all right, something which you needed to study thoroughly, you have already done that. Now what is like the battle? Now the battle is about how you can prepare in a way that you get 100% marks, okay? That's the battle for now. That's what we are focusing on right now. ठीक है? Cool. Say guys, that's what we are dealing with right now. Just give me a moment, please. ठीक है? Yes. So it is greenhouse effect जो हमको पढ़ना है, right? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. इसके ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट के साथ क्या चीज़ आएगा बच्चे? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, राइट? सो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पढ़ना है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट इन दिस चैप्टर, ओके? And number 4, what is the last thing? It is strategies to control environmental pollution. Like how can you reduce pollution, right? Air pollution hai, how can you reduce it? Water pollution hai, how can you reduce it? Soil pollution hai, kaise aap use khatam kar sakte ho? These types of questions, okay? So you can say strategies to control environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. This is something which you need to cover in this chapter. That is it. I don't think it is very tough for you, right guys? Very easy, very simple this is. Rama Shankar Bari, bache, this class is bache for class 11 and for class 12, okay? Not for class 10, okay? Class 10 ke liye you have a different teacher. Don't worry, don't be so sad. You have different teachers for class 9 and 10. So you can definitely reach out to them for your particular stuff. And since you are in class 10, so like within some time, I believe in March, April, you guys will be with me, okay? Yes, okay, bye bache. All right, so let's move ahead now. So if you look at environmental chemistry, तो बच्चे, as we know that it plays a very major and very crucial role, right? It plays a very major and very crucial role because like environment, very important for us, right? So like what is, like, as you know that the first thing that we need to study is pollution, right? Air, water and soil pollution. That is what we need to do, correct hai? Right. So the very first thing is pollutants. कि pollutants क्या होते हैं? So simply any substance, you can say, what is a pollutant? You can say a substance which causes pollution. That's what you can say. A substance that causes pollution, उसको आप क्या बोलोगे? That will be your pollutant. Very easy, very simple. Even such simple questions can come from this chapter in your MCQs, okay? In your MCQs, even such simple questions can be there. Okay? So now if you talk about these pollutants, they can be solid, they can be liquid, they can be gaseous as well. Okay? Which are present in, like you can say, a greater concentration than required. ठीक है, मतलब एक तो concentration होती है जो आपको affect ना करे, but when that pollutant increases in its concentration, that's the moment it becomes harmful for us, right? That's the moment it becomes harmful for us. Correct, guys? And these are produced, if we talk about pollutants, so bache, these are produced by human activities. Number one, we are responsible. Either they are produced by human activities, or number second, like you can say natural happenings, right? Secondly, you can say natural happenings. सेकेंडली यू कैन से नेचुरल हैपनिंग्स. ठीक है, दोनों में से कोई भी रीज़न हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पोल्यूटेंट्स? यू कैन से DDT, वाइट कलर का जो पाउडर होता है, राइट? डाईक्लोरो डाईफिनाइल ट्राईक्लोरोइथेन, राइट? DDTA, DDT, सिंपली DDT आप कह सकते हो. इसके अलावा यू कैन से प्लास्टिक मटीरियल्स, you can say DDT, plastic materials. Apart from it, you can say heavy metals. You can say heavy metals, or you can say chemicals. These are the pollutants. These are nothing but your pollutants. Okay, इसके अलावा nuclear waste as well. Majorly ये भी है हमारे पास nuclear waste. So these are your pollutants. Okay, now if you look at the pollutants, तो बच्चे these can be biodegradable और unbiodegradable, दोनों हो सकते हैं. Non biodegradable, I would say. They can be biodegradable. Now what are biodegradable substances? You know already. जो कि नेचर अपने आप डिग्रेड कर सकता है, राइट? डिकम्पोज कर सकता है. सो दीज कैन बी बायोडिग्रेडेबल और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. करेक्ट है? लाइक वी नो दैट प्लास्टिक इज नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, राइट? इवन इफ इट इज लाइक stored like beneath the earth's surface for millions of years, maybe even then it won't be decomposed. So that is why we say that it is non-biodegradable. Okay, so yes, now let's talk about environmental pollution. The next thing that we can talk about is environmental pollution. It is environmental pollution. It is our environmental pollution. So it can be of two types. Number one, tropospheric. Number one can be tropospheric, and number second can be stratospheric. Stratospheric and tropospheric. And apart from it, bache, you know that you can attend special classes. Those are free special classes. Those are what? These are free special classes. Okay, so you can attend these. You can get plus subscription. Okay, and you can get additional 10% off by using my code, that is Kirti S Live. My code is Kirti S Live. This is my code, and if you use this, you will get additional 10% off. You will get additional 10% off. Okay, cool. All right. Apart from it, let me tell you some thing that I have for you. Give me a moment. Right, you can see here, beta, this is another offer for you. One is mega offer. You can see here that if you get the subscription for a minimum of 12 months, if you get the subscription for a minimum of 12 months, it may be more as well, then you will get additional 2 months extension. Okay, you will get additional 2 months extension. Okay, so basically you will get 14 months of subscription. Okay, you will get basically 14 months of subscription. All right, apart from it, this is like a very important thing for you, which says itself that if you get the subscription for ISC class 11, then you will get ISC class 12 subscriptions for free. You will get ISC class 12 subscription for free. So this can be very amazing for you. As I told you in the previous plus class, that a few chapters, whether you are in class 11 or you are in class 12, these chapters are very important for you. I would say the first 4 chapters of class 11 and your general organic chemistry, these chapters are extremely important for you. So you need to, like, you definitely need to cover them, whether you are in class 11 or you are in class 12. All right, they are very important for you. Okay, so environmental pollution, वापस आते हैं. This environmental pollution is of 2 types, tropospheric and stratospheric. All right, cool. ट्रोपोस्फेरिक पोल्यूशन जो ट्रोपोस्फेयर में होता है, स्ट्रैटोस्फेरिक पोल्यूशन जो कि स्ट्रैटोस्फेयर में होता है. ऑलराइट, रेस्ट ऑफ द डिटेल वी विल डिस्कस इन द प्लस क्लास. ओके, अबाउट स्ट्रैटोस्फेरिक एंड tropospheric pollution. All right, now the next thing we can talk about is acid rain. What is the next thing? Next thing is acid rain. All right, so yes, as we know बच्चे, normally जो रेन वाटर का pH होता है, normally the pH of rain water कितना होता है? Tell me. क्या, like, does anyone know the pH of rain water is how much? It is 5.6. What is it? It is 5.6 due to presence of H positive ion formed by the reaction of rainwater with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. All right, so you can see here, see, because of presence of carbon dioxide, like we know that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, these are very harmful for us, right? These are, just let me see if everything is well. Yes, so these are, like, you can say, very harmful for us. Let me just check, give me a moment. Now it is better now. Yes, I believe so, that now it is better. Okay, if we look at the harmful effects of if we look at the harmful effects, of acid rain. So what are these? So number one would be that they are harmful for agriculture, right? Number one is that they are harmful for agriculture. Give me a moment. They are harmful for agriculture, right? खेती के लिए बहुत नुकसान दे सकती है, ठीक है? You can say that trees, plants और जो भी जो भी trees and plants होते हैं, washes away nutrients needed for their growth, right? Number second, that if we consume that water, it can cause respiratory problems. It can produce respiratory problems. It can cause respiratory problems, ठीक है? Respiratory, right? The spelling is okay. Number three, you can say that it affects plants and animals, right? It affects plants and animals, okay? And also it majorly affects the aquatic plants and animals. Aquatic plants and animals, I would say. उनको तो बहुत ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, बिकॉज अगेन सी वाटर का pH चेंज हो जाता है, जिसके वजह से अ लॉट ऑफ फिशेज एंड अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज, इवन लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर क्रीचर्स डाई, ओके, दे मे डाई. एंड ऑल्सो इट अफेक्ट्स बिल्डिंग्स एज वेल, ठीक है, डैमेजेस बिल्डिंग्स. A very important case about because of acid rain, like we all know about Taj Mahal, right? So it was noticed that KY ultimate, why is plastic non biodegradable? बच्चे, जो बॉन्ड उनमें बने होते हैं, जो एटम्स के बीच में जो बॉन्ड्स होते हैं, जो वो स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसको डीकम्पोज करना बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, ओके. एंड मोर ओवर इन केमिस्ट्री ना, हम वो पढ़ते हैं जो होता है, राइट? वी आर स्टडिंग वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग अराउंड अस, राइट? सो प्लास्टिक इज नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. ये हमने देखा था कि प्लास्टिक को आप डीकम्पोज नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज समथिंग. एंड येस, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट ताज महल. There are some plastics which are biodegradable. Nope. There are some plastics which can be which can be degrade within some short time span, maybe, right? कि अगर कोई 100 साल ले रहा है, हो सकता है कि कोई जो आप नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं होती, आई मीन बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं होती है. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने एक ऐसी प्लास्टिक निकाल दी जो कि थोड़े से कम टाइम में हो सकता है कि डिग्रेड हो जाए, डीकम्पोज हो जाए, बट कंप्लीटली डिग्रेडेबल नो. पेपर बैग्स, इसीलिए आप देखोगे कि आप आजकल जब भी जाते हो, सो यू विल सी पेपर बैग्स, राइट? पेपर बैग्स और क्लॉथ बैग्स, राइट? jute bags, these are completely biodegradable, all right, but not plastics, okay. So yeah, that is why we are saying that we need to reuse them whenever you are going out for shopping. Even if you have plastic bags, take them with you, all right. Yes. So again, I was talking about Taj Mahal, right? Taj Mahal is basically made up of marble, alright? So, because of acid rain, it was noticed that the color of Taj Mahal was becoming yellowish. White से वो कैसा हो रहा था? Yellowish color का हो रहा था. So that's why the government took a decision, like within, I believe, 8 kilometers of the Taj Mahal, there is no like industrial factory, so that, like, in that radius there is like maybe lesser pollution, and that's why, like, there will be less effect of the acid rain on the Taj Mahal. All right, this is the case. Cool. So yes, harmful effects of acid rain. Now the next thing that we have is greenhouse effect. The next thing is greenhouse effect. I believe that you all know what is greenhouse effect. I believe you already know this. What is greenhouse effect? Right? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट जिसके वजह से क्या होती है बच्चे, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर है अर्थ का वो बढ़ रहा है, राइट? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होती है, ट्रैपिंग ऑफ हीट, ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस के वजह से, ठीक है, जो हीट है वो अर्थ पे ट्रैप हो जाती है एंड इट इज नथिंग बट योर ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. ओके, मेजरली हम लोग अगेन जो 100% डिस्कस करेंगे इट विल बी इन योर लाइव क्लास, प्लस क्लास आई वुड से, ठीक है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट स्मॉग एज वेल, the next topic we can say would be smog. So smog is also of two types. Okay, smog can be like the classical smog. One is a classical smog, another one can be a photochemical smog. Another one can be photochemical smog. All right, do I have a class? Just give me a moment to check something. Just a moment, let me check something. Yes, I have a class at 6:30. That's what I was checking, and that's a special class, means it is free for everyone. And the topic for today is compounds containing nitrogen. Okay, the topic is compounds containing nitrogen. All right, basically it is a pole war, but I believe we will just be discussing. Okay, I think so. And one more thing I need to check. .7 only. 13.2, 12.7 and 12.3. Just give me a moment guys, something important this is. Okay, let me see who all are here. Let's move ahead. ठीक है. So yes, we were talking about smog बच्चे. So smog can be of two type, classical smog and photochemical smog. All right. So जो हमारा classical smog होता है बच्चे, it occurs in humid climate. ठीक है. Basically we know that smog is a mixture of, let's write it. Smog is simply a mixture of smoke plus fog. What is it? It is simply smoke plus fog, right? And it has sulfur dioxide as well, to be honest. ठीक है? It has sulfur dioxide as well. Cool. और क्लासिकल स्मॉग को आप रिड्यूसिंग स्मॉग भी कहते हो. क्लासिकल स्मॉग इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रिड्यूसिंग स्मॉग. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट फोटोकेमिकल स्मॉग, तो बच्चे ये ड्राई और सनी क्लाइमेट में होता है. क्लासिकल स्मॉग तो हमने देखा कि कैसे में होता है बच्चे, ह्यूमिड में होता है. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट फोटोकेमिकल स्मॉग, सो दिस हैपन्स इन वार्म, ड्राई and sunny climate. In which climate? Warm, dry and sunny climate. All right. Components of chemical smog result from the action of sunlight on I would say on the unsaturated hydrocarbons and oxides of nitrogen produced by automobiles. ठीक है. इसको आप रिड्यूसिंग स्मॉग कहते हो. फोटोकेमिकल स्मॉग को आप ऑक्सीडाइजिंग स्मॉग कहते हो. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग स्मॉग. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ओजोन. Ozone is simply O3, right? Ozone is simply O3. And we know that we have ozone layer, right? We have an ozone layer, right? And that ozone layer is depleting. जिसको आप बोलते हो depletion of ozone layer. What do you call it? You call it as depletion of ozone layer, right? This is your depletion of ozone layer, correct? Now why it is happening? So again बच्चे, जो भी आप pollutants जो हैं, some specific types of pollutants, say CFCs. CFCs are special type of pollutants जिनकी full form होती है chlorofluorocarbons. What is the full form of CFCs? It is chlorofluorocarbons. Now because of them the ozone layer is depleting. So that like CFC जो है, it was previously used in refrigerators. So now the government has banned them. Okay, that nobody can use CFCs in like refrigerators. So like we are trying कि जो हमारी ozone layer है वो deplete ना हो. If the ozone layer gets depleted, then the UV rays can reach to the surface of the earth, and we know that these UV rays, these ultraviolet rays, are very harmful for us. ठीक है, these rays are very harmful for us. Cool. And they can cause severe skin cancer and you can say respiratory problems to humans. Okay, so that is why it is important. ठीक है. The reaction which occur, if we talk about the reactions with chlorofluorocarbon, you can see that chlorofluorocarbons होते हैं but is CF2 Cl2 when they, you can say, react with UV light. So chlorine radicals are formed. ठीक है. So it will form chlorine radical plus CF2 Cl radical in this way. ठीक है. Now this free radical, जो अभी ये क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट हुआ है, यही फ्री रेडिकल जो है react करेगा ओजोन के साथ and it will form ClO radical plus O2, and this ClO radical further reacts with oxygen to form chlorine radical and oxygen gas. So in this way, this chlorine radical is like continuously generated. You can say in this way, chlorine radical is continuously regenerated. It is continuously regenerated. Okay. If we talk about effects of ozone layer depletion, we have already discussed it. Okay, it can cause like aging to skin, even skin cancer. You can say skin को बहुत ज़्यादा affect करेगा. Cataract हो सकता है. ठीक है, sunburn हो सकता है. Skin cancer, as I told you, skin cancer हो सकता है. ठीक है, it can form damage to fishes as well. Damage to fishes as well. ठीक है. So these are the effects of depletion of ozone layer. All right. ठीक है. So let's move ahead. Now let me show you some of the properties that I have for you, that we have for you especially. Okay, I have already told you that you can join the Telegram group. The link is given to you in the description box. You can just simply join Telegram group. Okay, when you click on the link, you will directly land on the Telegram channel. Okay, now the next thing is, you can see here, Unacademy free special class features. Okay, these are your free live classes. These are also called as free live classes, or you can say special classes, because these are free, as the name suggests, just to show you like how the platform is working. Okay, so you can see that in Unacademy free special class features, you have a live real-time interaction. You can have using chat and emojis. Okay, so like you can chat with me, with your friends, so that you will get to know. And like now there is a different section in which you can ask any question. Okay, you can just upload any photo if you have any doubt. Okay, so ask questions using the question tab. Okay, आप वहाँ पे questions पूछ सकते हो. There is live polls. Now what is a poll? I can give you like a question, like 4 options, 5 options, true or false. It can be anything. Okay, and those options, like they will appear on your screen. Okay, and now you have to tap or click on the right answer. All right, that's how you can participate in the poll. And then I can like tell you how many students have answered correctly. Okay, how many percentage of the students have answered correctly, who is at the first position. Like there is a poll leaderboard as well. ठीक है. So this is like very, it becomes even more interactive, that you and I can interact a lot. We can talk whatever your doubt is. If you want to ask anything, if you want to say anything, you can do that. So in this way, it becomes very, interesting and very interacting as well. So that's why I would suggest you to, definitely join the special class, and you will feel the difference. Okay, then you will see the difference, like how is it working. Okay, special class timetable. Okay, this thing I will let you know on the Telegram group. You can reach out to me on Telegram or Unacademy Messenger. My username is Kirti underscore Sharma 1223. This is my username. Kirti underscore Sharma 1223. This is my username. Okay. For Unacademy Messenger and Telegram. So you can reach out to me by using this. Okay. Any doubts, any queries, please let me know. If I tell you about like my special class timetable, to bache, my basic schedule like at 4 p.m. daily, Monday to Saturday, from 4 to 5, I have a plus class. We have a plus class, okay? Then from 6:30 to 7:30. From 6:30 to 7:30 we have a special class. Okay? From 6:30 to 7:30 we have a special class. समझे? ठीक है? Cool, guys. And regarding your YT classes, you will get to know, okay? I'll send you the schedule. You will get to know about your special classes as well, all right? Yeah. Now let's move ahead. Unacademy subscription features. First, I told you about the features that I have for you in the free live classes, okay? So when you come there, you will feel the difference and you can see like it is a very interactive and interesting session. So if you plan to take the subscription, which is your plus subscription, like the name is plus subscription. What is it? It is your plus subscription, right? So what are the different features of the plus subscription? So the very first thing is you can learn live with the top educators of India. Okay, you can learn live from the comfort of your home, right? कि आप अपने घर पे बैठ के मज़े से पढ़ सकते हो, whether it's night, day, any time of the day, okay, whenever you want to study. Number second, when you take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you have the unlimited access to all the courses which are present in your category. And you can watch one session multiple times. If you could not understand something, of course, you need to attend the live sessions. But those sessions are like available like in the recorded form as well. The same session, okay? So you can like join, you can watch that session multiple times if you couldn't understand anything. If you forgot and you want to watch the session after some days, some time, it will be available on the platform. All right, and you have the unlimited access to all the courses. Okay. Then you have top educators of India on one platform. Okay, you have like brilliant educators over here. Then every fourth session, this is fixed, okay? This is fixed. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. So we can say that we have regular doubt solving, right? Whatever doubts you have, those will be entertained in every fourth session of that course. Okay, exhaustive coverage of syllabus. Only on the plus platform we cover 100% of the syllabus. We cover 100% of the syllabus. So exhaustive coverage of syllabus is there. We are here to mentor you, to guide you, okay? Then the whole study material is provided to you in the PDF format, okay? Using this you can study. Apart from it, in order to test your preparation level, okay, we have practice test, live test series, daily practice session, weekly mock test series. So there are like a lot of test series for you as well, so that you will have an idea about what kind of exam, like the exam for which you are preparing for. You should have an idea what kind of questions will be asked to you, okay? So like there are various test series for you. Then of course batch courses are here for you, for which you can have unlimited access. So you have so many features over here. Hi Pooja, how are you bache? Hello bacha, how are you? All right. And you can see here the Unacademy Plus subscription pricing. As I have told you to get the subscription for a longer period of time. For a longer time. Get the subscription for a longer period of time, so that it will be very economical for you. Bache, the next free like free class is at 6:30 today. 6:30 p.m. Okay? As I told you that it will be very economical for you and you can take the plus subscription. Apart from this, you can see that this mega offer is going on. If you get the subscription for a minimum of 12 months, if you get the subscription for a minimum of 12 months, you will get 2 months extension free. So basically you will get 14 months of subscription, okay, in the price of 12 months. Okay. Apart from it, you can see here, if you subscribe for ISC class 11, you will get ISC class 12 subscription for free. And apart from it, like from these two things, you can use my code, that is Kirti S Live. My code is Kirti S Live, and you will get additional 10% off. ठीक है? Which topic she should do? Global warming उठा लो यार. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ग्रीन हाउस, एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री, अभी जो पढ़ा रही हूँ, बहुत सही टॉपिक है. ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट सबको पता चल जाएगा क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, हाउ इट वर्क्स. ऐसे ड्रेन कर सकते हो, राइट? छोटे बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. Cool. So yeah, these are the things which are available for you. You can see here. ठीक है? Now let's move ahead. What were we discussing? We were discussing the ozone layer depletion, right? We were discussing ozone layer depletion. इफेक्ट्स हम लोगों ने देख लिए. वाटर पोल्यूशन हमको पता है, राइट? वाटर पोल्यूशन वी नो ऑलरेडी. And like again, we should now shift towards green chemistry. Correct है? I believe that आज के सेशन के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. And again, let me tell you that you can reach out to me by my username Kirti _ Sharma 1223. This is my username. And if you are planning to take the plus subscription, then you can use my code, that is Kirti S Live. This is my YT code. You can use it and you will get additional 10% off. You will get additional 10% off. Okay? And apart from it, as we discussed, the offers which are going on, this is number one thing. इससे आपको 10% off मिल जाएगा. Apart from it, mega offer is going on, right? If you get the subscription for 12 months plus 12 months या उससे ज़्यादा, तो इसके साथ you will get 2 months extension free. You will get 2 months extension free you will get. And the third thing is, if you subscribe for ISC class 11, you will get ISC class 12 subscription for free. Okay, so you can take part in it and it will be pretty good for you. Cool. So that is it for the day, guys. I will see you in the next session, the next class, which is the free special class, जिसके features अभी हम लोगों ने discuss किए थे. That's your free special class. It is at 6:30. It is at 6:30 p.m. You can join it. Cool. So I'll see you over there. And that is it for the day. I'll see you in the next session. Okay, Pooja? Let me know, bache, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, anything. Let me know if you want to ask anything, you want to say anything. But it is not attendance poll because, why? Because, yes, बच्चे, free live class में, yes, poll तो होते हैं. Of course. Poll है, leaderboard है, they are available. Attendance poll we can have. Alright, definitely we can have. Apart from it, if you have any queries, any doubts, please let me know. Just give me one moment. ठीक है? Yes, बच्चा पार्टी. Let me know please if you have any doubts, any queries. अभी तो बताया बच्चे, ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, एसिड रेन, these are some pretty good topics. Solar system, this is something which she can do, right? Any other question, anybody? Let me know quickly. About brain, sorry, like she needs to have some, this is also a bio topic na bache, about brain. She can explain the structure of brain, like the brain functioning, how brain works. She can go for brain functioning, like at her level she can explain the nervous system के जो how it works कि message पहले neuron यहाँ लेके जाता है, then finally in the brain, and that's how our brain gets the message. That's what she can do, right? Or else, if you have any ideas, you can just Google something and you'll find a lot of things like very interesting. Okay, so that's what you can go for. That is it for the day, guys. I'll see you in the next session.